per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. Impacts, heavy snow Tuesday into Wednesday and gusty winds will lead to near blizzard conditions and dangerous travel conditions. Winter storm warning information for the following areas in Maine: coastal Cumberland, coastal York, interior Cumberland and interior York. In the following areas in New Hampshire: coastal Rockingham, eastern Hillsborough, interior Rockingham and Stratford. The National Weather Service in Gray has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 7 a.m. Tuesday to 5 a.m. Wednesday. The winter storm warning is no longer in effect. Hazard types: heavy snow. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 14 to 18 inches. Timing: snow will begin Tuesday morning. The heaviest snow and most significant impacts are expected Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. Snow will taper off early Wednesday. Temperatures in the lower 20s. Winds north 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less at times. Impacts: heavy snow Tuesday and Tuesday night combined with gusty winds and blowing snow will create blizzard conditions at times and lead to dangerous travel conditions. Strong wind gusts may lead to scattered power outages. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Here are the 3 p.m. reports from around